Hello everyone, happy morning to all. In today's video, we are going to learn about the first section and second section of the topic friendship. 8th standard English, first term, unit 2, prose. Dear students, look at this picture. I like this picture very much. Do you like it? This picture speaks lots of love and affection of their friendship, doesn't it? Dear students, I want to ask a question to you. Is it important to make friendship with others? What do you think about it? You say yes or no in the comment box. Let us discuss our lesson. Section 1. This is a story on the friendship between Asif and Vetri. Vetri was a successful businessman. His Vetri Construction Company constructed many shopping complexes, houses, and a few apartments in and around Coimbatore. Everything was going well. Unfortunately, Vetri's father died. After his father's death, Vetri's brother wanted to start their business separately. So, his brothers demanded to split the wealth. Demanded means to urge. To split means to divide. To divide the wealth. Wealth means here property or money. So they divided the property and each of them started a business of his own. From then on, Vetri found it difficult to establish his business. So he took loans to run the company, but he could not repay the loan. So Vetri sold all his properties to repay the loan. After sold his properties, he moved to a very small house with his family. He found a job and led a normal life. But Vetri always longed to start a new construction company. Here, long means desired greatly. Desire, love. He want to start a new company. So, Vetri needed money for that, but nobody was prepared to lend money to Vetri. One day, his wife discussed with Vetri. His wife said, "Why don't you ask your friend Asif to start a new company?" Like that, Vetri's wife suggested him to ask his friend Asif for help. But Vetri hesitated to ask money or ask help for help. Ask Asif for help, as he had not seen him for a long time. After deep thought, Vetri decided to meet his friend Asif, who was in Chennai. Vetri took the train to Chennai to meet his friend Asif. Section 2. Vetri boarded the train to Chennai. His memory went back to his school days. Went back means remembered, recollect the childhood. Okay. During the travel by train, Vetri thought of his school days. He thought he lived in a village. He lived in a beautiful village, Keelakudi. It's near Coimbatore. Vetri and Asif studied in a school in the outskirts of the village Keelakudi. Outskirts means border of the village. Outskirts of the village means border of the village. They studied in a school in the border of the village Keelakudi. Okay. Vetri and Asif they were always together in learning and playing. On the first day to school, his father dropped Vetri at school and went away. Vetri started crying. Now Asif came there. He gave Vetri a chocolate and both of them became friends. They stayed together, they played together and studied together. One day, there was a quarrel between Vetri and Asif's family. But this did not affect their friendship. Their exams, results, and the marks never affected their friendship. After the 10th standard, Asif moved to Chennai and Vetri settled in Coimbatore. Dear students, I give a worksheet along with this video. You take a notebook and write a short paragraph on the topic, my best friend. We will meet in another class. Thank you.